Every day before the stock market opens, it's good to know a few important things. This can help you understand what might happen in the market that day. The stock market is a place where people buy and sell pieces of companies, and its movement can tell us a lot about the economy. Knowing what to expect can help you make better decisions, whether you're investing or just interested in how the economy is doing. Welcome back to Stock Whispers, your gateway to investment brilliance. Are you ready for a roller coaster ride through the world of finance, where fortunes can soar as high as a Bitcoin rocket or take a dive like a rock star after a wild night? Today, we're exploring 5 essential stock market updates that you should be aware of before the opening bell. So, let's not waste any time and dive right into the excitement. First off, we've got Nvidia making moves that even the stock market is tapping its feet to. Their shares have shot up nearly 3% before the market even opened, thanks to the buzz around their upcoming event. They're calling it the AI Woodstock. And no, it's not a festival with music, mud, and peace signs, but a conference where Nvidia's boss, Jensen Huang, is going to talk about some cool new tech. Everyone's excited because they're going to talk about their new B100 chip, which sounds like it's going to be a big deal in the world of artificial intelligence. This chip could change the game, and with tech giants like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google all ears, it's no wonder Nvidia's stock is doing a victory dance, jumping over 80% this year. Now, if you're sitting there wondering if it's time to dive into the AI scene, Nvidia's latest moves might be the nudge you need. Imagine being part of something that's got the potential to transform how we use technology. And with the AI Woodstock on the horizon, it seems like Nvidia is not just about making chips, they're about setting the stage for the future of AI. So, if you're thinking of hitching a ride on the AI train, grabbing a piece of Nvidia might just be like snagging a front row seat at the biggest show in tech town. And who knows? With their stock soaring and the B100 chip ready to make waves, joining the Nvidia bandwagon could turn out to be one of those decisions you brag about at parties. Moving on, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google, seeing its shares jump by more than 5%. Why all the excitement? Rumor has it that Apple is flirting with the idea of teaming up with Google to put the Gemini AI engine into iPhones. Now that's a duo that could stir up the tech world. It's like putting peanut butter with jelly. It just makes everything better. However, it's not all smooth sailing. They might have to dance around some tricky antitrust rules to make it happen. Apple's been a bit like the kid who's always a few steps behind in the dance-off when it comes to AI, so this could be their big break to leap forward and wow everyone. Keep your eyes peeled on this development, because if Apple and Google do manage to tango successfully, we're talking about a game changer for iPhone users. This partnership could unlock new powers for your smartphone, making it smarter and more helpful than ever before. It's like giving your iPhone a supercharged brain, ready to tackle all your questions and tasks with a level of smarts we haven't seen before. So, while they navigate through the legal waiting, the rest of us can start dreaming about the cool features and capabilities that could come from such a legendary pairing. Just imagine asking your iPhone for help and getting responses so clever you'd think you're chatting with a wise old sage. Now that's something to look forward to. Third, the real estate folks have something to buzz about this March. Home builders are feeling pretty good. And it's not just because of the spring weather. The mood among them has shot up to the highest level we've seen since last August. Why, you ask? Well, it looks like mortgage rates are starting to chill out a bit, giving the housing market a chance to catch its breath. And if you're in the market for a new pad, here's some more good news. There's a big $418 million settlement on the table that's going to make negotiating fees a lot less of a headache. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and roses. Now let's dive a little deeper. This whole sentiment soaring and mortgage rates cooling off thing is a big deal. It means more people might start thinking, hey, maybe it's a good time to build that dream home after all. And with that hefty $418 million settlement aimed at making the cost of buying a home a bit friendlier, we could see a lot more for sale signs popping up. And it's a big, but not everyone's throwing a party. Our friends at Zillow and Redfin are proof that when the ground shifts in the real estate world, not everyone stays standing. Their stock prices wobbled last week, reminding us that in the land of real estate, it's always wise to watch your step. So, whether you're a future homeowner or an investor with a keen eye on real estate, today's developments are not to be missed. It's a real-life game of Monopoly, and the dice are rolling. Next on our list, Reddit, often dubbed the front page of the internet, is stirring up quite the excitement with its initial public offering. It seems like everyone wants a piece of the action, with the IPO potentially being 5 times oversubscribed. That's right, Reddit is not just a place for memes and cat videos, it's now the cool kid on the block in the investment world. They're shooting for a big goal with a valuation of $6.5 billion and hoping to bag $748 million from this move. For those looking to invest, this could either be your golden ticket or a roller coaster ride, considering how social media stocks can be as unpredictable as a cat on a skateboard. Reddit's leap into the stock market is definitely a story to keep an eye on, whether you're there for the financial drama or just for the memes. With Reddit aiming high for its big stock market debut, investors and meme lovers alike are watching closely. This level of buzz around an IPO isn't something you see every day. Being oversubscribed by 5 times means a lot of people are keen to jump on board, hoping that Reddit's transition from an internet forum to a publicly traded company is as successful as its viral threads. It's an interesting time for Reddit and for anyone looking to dabble in the stock market. Social media stocks can swing from highs to lows faster than the latest internet trend, making this both a potentially rewarding opportunity and a risky bet. But one thing's for sure, Reddit's journey from a simple website to a $6.5 billion valuation powerhouse is a tale worth following, filled with as many twists and turns as the subreddits it hosts. Lastly, Xpeng, a big name in the electric vehicle scene in China, is buzzing in the stock market with a more than 6% jump before the market even opened. They're not just cruising, they're speeding ahead with a bold plan. Imagine this, a world where electric cars don't cost an arm and a leg. Xpeng is working on making that dream a reality. They're planning to roll out a new, more affordable brand aimed at the mass market. This is huge because the EV market in China is like a packed subway at rush hour. Everyone's trying to get a spot. By introducing cars priced between $13,897 and $20,845, Xpeng is trying to make electric cars a choice for more than just the rich and eco-conscious. It's a smart move that might just give them the edge they need to zoom ahead of the competition. This shift towards more affordable electric vehicles by Xpeng isn't just about selling more cars. It's about changing the game. As the streets and highways of China start to fill up with more EVs, Xpeng's strategy could make them a household name. It's a sign of changing times in the automotive industry, where electric cars are moving from a luxury item to something more and more people can consider. With a price range that's easier on the wallet, Xpeng is opening the door for folks who thought an electric car was out of their reach. It's a move that's as exciting as it is necessary, pointing to a future where the roads are quieter, the air is cleaner, and owning an EV doesn't mean breaking the bank. Keep your eyes peeled. Xpeng's journey could be a sneak peek into the future of driving for everyone. And of course, before we part ways, you'll get a nugget of wisdom from Stock Whispers. Information is power, but strategy is key. With today's updates, the market is ripe with opportunities and challenges. Whether you're drawn to the AI revolution with Nvidia, intrigued by Alphabet and Apple's potential partnership, or keeping an eye on the evolving real estate and EV landscapes, remember to do your homework. Investing isn't just about catching the wave, it's about riding it wisely. Diversify your portfolio, stay informed, and remember, patience often pays off in the stock market. Don't chase the hype, chase your investment goals. Thanks for tuning into Stock Whispers. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our expert investing advice. Until next time, keep listening to those whispers and let them guide you to your next big win. See you soon.